Hello guys, let's talk today about the Wyze Plug 2 packs. I'm gonna do the unbox so you can see what is inside. Okay, it's a good product from Wyze, so you can control your plugs remotely from your cell phone. Let me just see what inside. Here we go. Quick start guide. Okay, and here it's pretty simple. You just have two plugs. Let me just remove them from the box. And here you go. It comes with the plastic. Let me just remove it and see what you get here. Okay. So it's a small plug. It's a relatively good size. Not the small, not the big, right? It's a regular size. So here you can connect one outlet. It brings the Wyze logo. And here an LED to indicate if it's working, if it's synced. Okay. And a button here. You can press for the setup. And here all the information that you need about the plug. Okay, if you want to take a look how it works and how much you can handle, all the information is here. And also the code here so you can set up yours. All right? So pretty simple. It comes in two packets. Have two of them here, and here on the box, nothing else. Okay, that's it. Just the two plugs and the quick guide. And then you need to use your Wyze app to set up them.